Okay, wow. This totally looks really nice. And we have a forest view. Okay, I am absolutely loving it, you guys. We have this forest view, and you have these other lofts and cottages with you, and the bed looks really comfy. So we're finally here, and the room looks so nice, you guys. So let's go grab some lunch. That's a top restaurant, and the view looks absolutely amazing. Doesn't really feel like Pune, to be very honest. It's good. So we've just gotten up and now we're gonna go have some breakfast. So yeah, let's go have breakfast.